Hey, vo injulal zaman mimpura. Say hi, baby.
Hey.
Chuanin nei kan kalna tur vel kalkong vel kan lola sak chawa vur tlak ma tlak huna cham vur khang khu to don sia mi pur char char ha tamang to dong khom thara lo en chi to ting sa vai chuma kan lo ma chuanin kan channel te hi yola subscribe lo ni chuan lo subscribe sakla chuanin lo like sak blog la chuanin lo share sak don nia oh ni saluk ka kaming hi to lo boy ka chuan te kan lo mu zel don chawa now thi mu tur chaw kan hey bagi kan theng chia hei kan bazan tur chu helai hi nia he so lai so chuanin ka han lu ta nge avot lu to mo it's freezing okay let's go ah! It's so cold baby avot lu to ka angai nam lo thi thobok sia mo oh my god oh my god it's so cool. I want a small basket or something. Let me see this one. Baby. Remember last time? Hey, they have the plucking point. They're so cute. Okay. Oh, we wanna see kanu birthday gift kan lei dona chuvangi nia I korlum maphelang hi adu to pani chu chuwangin korlum maphel ka lei dona thil dang po kan lei don thoma se darun tilang zel don nia oh let's check it out some oh let's go this is like a ship right yeah hey and kanu wat chu tiang chi te ta si kind of like this kind but we want a little bit warmer maybe right something warmer oh I really like it this one let's see the price and discount $29 or $23 yeah. I like it but it's okay I want to go somewhere else so I'm not buying anything from here for myself I will get it for mom something from here oh my color kan pa cameraman atang right baby you're a cameraman today for me did you enjoy not really it's too sporty look remember mom's favorite color is peach yeah but what's the size medium yeah but we want to see if there's something remember mom's favorite color is peach right so this perfect but she already have this color Yeah, she have, I forgot. But let me still hold though, just in case. Fine. When I checked your t-shirt, I found a lot of different color, like yellow.
Oh yeah.
People were teasing me. Oh, maybe you would have find his ex-girlfriend stuff. It's very Christmas, huh? Yeah, but it's too small for me. It's not my size. Your wife is big. Oh, we only have to go to medium, right? Hey, kanuhin a peach color. He aduto pa amahianin. Chuan masi hetiang daw hinay siya dang ken potang hildang po kapedon to hi kadu. Angay na lutuk atya ang korlum mapelang mo. Adang charm lo to ka. Maybe we should go different land or like yeah, I don't find anything interesting. This one is large. They have some clearance. Nice. There's a nice roti. The cameraman here, nice roti. I was trying to look for something for mom. Wow, it's kind of cool. Are you bored? Are you bored, baby? Oh, I'm enjoying doing something for you, Daddy. Oh, that's not my type. Hetiang hitu kahak beji ni lau shima ke niang pian ui rap hak in poiken pela. That's not my type. I like this kind of pant. They're all branded. Hey, like Marshall, branded fake and nita masi. Ngaih cha khan motor vang to thei to pen chu lei fu chuan van nei ni me a lei fu lo chuan van nei lo ani me ani chu. I don't know why I feel they're cool like this stuff, you know. Don't you think? I need your suggestion also, baby. Don't you think? No? This one? You think mom would love it? I think she would love it. Maybe I'm gonna put this one. But these are small. Medium, they have medium. I think mom would love this one. I think your idea is good with the heart. She loves wearing this kind too, right? She wear, I saw some. We'll buy for her this one. Hey, kanutang and layang. Oh, hildang po. I'm gonna buy her another stuff, but first this one. Brass shanghi in Chindu. I must say, I don't know. Oh, wait, let's find out. Crazy. You know what's this one? Check. Oh, there eyeshadow. Huh? Yeah, like eyeshadow. Okay, let me show them what I use. Hey, I use this serum. Hey, kapman niya vitamin C niya mo. In chuvangi. Oh. I forgot which country made this one. It will be written here. Oh, hey, to USA. Oh, Chicago. Chuan in Lao. Hey pawh hi tha thawa vitamin C facial serum. Hey chu tlem na dang daw ni hen si. Vitamin C skin perfect vitamin serum. Oh chang vitamin C shim hi chu achavek all kind of this vitamin C is really good. I have a cream I use right now. So they have facial oil, glow serum. Oh, they have a glow serum from vitamin C also. And then coconut. I smell because saying that some cologne. Okay, let me show them this. Heng tiang hi kamang chini chu hei makeup remover clinic aminta hela hena tlom zo ka chungchu I in lao ta hianin $14 chawni chu ma se ador hemi clinic door tak tak kang kal chuanin $25 day nyang ani lo pon 20 day nyang. This one is $14, but if you go in the clinic store it will be more expensive. That's how it works here in Russia. And amuna chuan kal la taw don tuka hita chuan dollar som pali te nya mo tiang zer khan marshal tu na kang kalna thatna karan soi fiani chu a chan ka shabik lawa ke pon chan ve chuan he in lo my pin te dollar som paruk le khan lo ta tom to I always buy my face wash from here. They're really good. I wish they have vitamin C face wash. Oh, they have it here. It's a face wash. Both of them are $3. Shall I take it? $3. Yeah. Because when I buy it separate, I don't know why they're cheap. Let me see, is there an expiry? Yeah, they said last time Rebecca told me to use it, but they don't have it, and this is the last one they have. You know, at chat na chanju, di kang kalta, cake valang adang to me alone to baby. So them adang to me alone, so ni alak na sa kan kan changan me, shem til reng an nei hangka. It's so cool. They have all kind food cream, baby food cream. Hey, at chat na pa ni chu. Chuanin hey kaladona. Oh, they have a small basket here, baby. Oh, it's cute, right? Where is that small brass I need? Told you. I wish they have just one single. I like this one a lot. It's like a bracelet, right? But no.
She's been enjoying making it though, so maybe she'll start right now.
This is really cool though. The one you just click, right? Yeah, we can take some. Oh, so strong. Hihingi kan silawa Italian siya maintia and 18 don mo. Let's find out what's taste. It looks like they're made out of hazelnut. Have you tried before? Did you enjoy shopping with your wife? Or you hate me? I hotong ti char. Thanks for taking me out for shopping.
Yes.
Oh, there. Sorry, we were waiting. Coconut atang siam. Wow, sugar lampang chi chu tamben. Kami chu kai thilo. Oh, hi an rock mai mi khopa hi. Engam lo zo but it's empty. Hey, later yom lo ring ni chu. Christmas and so ya mo there walk back sen ni chu. Right, baby? It's fully empty. Lai han tle mo ma chu po size oversize ang do tak mo. Yang la ko chu na wa. Tun tan chuan in lai ra chuan. Kangkal ri to don lova kan video de kha. No enjoy nge kan be se ya. Okay, bye bye ti ro lel zo. Or kakalaya chuan in wine ka leibok do na jewelry lampang chungay na silawa chuvangi le aman na siam bia le kharem silawa kan mutam mo chuan in mikina skin hand dora te kan kal do na lo ti lang ma tu na chuan lan chei don kan kal don cha kan lan chei te kan lo ti lang don. Hey, Thai restaurant cho kan ei do na lunch kan ei do na zo ni ai local la zo Thai food kan ei yo. Are you hungry? Ready to eat? I'm hungry too. Let's go. Lokoite. Karil chop tero. Say karil chop. Lutuk. Karil chop lutuk. Thai noodles dia kalau hithol ba. Thai noodles dia kalau. Allow close Thai restaurant ka Chinese uncle jok mai don ni. Anh man cho hai closer chứ này tao lâu ngay bốc xíu này ông hi cho in hong hi cho in website pe la kan in hi cho na om tho bok sia karil tram tho tu mo zinga in now thil ken te ke ya chu in ke kha muffin o banana muffin kha ke ya chu song tu nya karil tram to tu ba ham kalang o e to Hand motor khalin zir dir zal zal ko I say you're teaching me a little bit of driving right here, right? So Chinese ang kalle miyang Chinese. Baby, wait for me, wait for me. Chinese ayang. Oh, I'm gonna eat you, me. You gonna eat me? Okay. Oh, it's so cold. So cold. Thank you for your hospitality. Huh? For lunch, yeah? Oh, look at that fish. It's so hot. Oh, so big. Oh, it looks yummy. What's in the bag?
The chosen.
The chosen. Oh, that's nice. Via kara ka thai ni te ya. Ti hian thu chungin he bang mo song ka ho mo ka lang kim tha thai lawan no sha tham ba. I'm going to try something Thai because since we really went to Thai restaurant. Thai food. Let's go he iced tea order. Order na no kanin. Ting pui sa mo ti tat sia akong ay lutuk in. Oh sa ting pui sa te ting pui sa in don ni iced tea te chu vut tai sian. Ak fel le lutuk hi boy kha. What did you order? Iced tea. We hey ko phone hit hi don mo kan ilai po kan tilang thei don no oi lutuk kalau charge thei ngira. You know? Huh? Yeah, dead. It's dying. So I'm so sorry. Mizo tong ifa thiam via. No, say mizo tong ka thiam lutuk.
So tong.
Ka thiam lutuk.
Lutuk.
Hello, hetiang to Tera. My charger is about to die. My phone is
I just
about
know a few words, but I can make it up.
You're a storyteller.
I just still tell stories. It's my job.
Can I see you with a hoodie? Let's see.
See, it's good.
No, yeah.
I don't think
do
I've
you
put
look?
this one up yet.
Like mafia.
Very good.
Yeah, I love it. Yummy. A red ice vampire. It's good. Yummy, yummy.
Nice shower.
Yeah, it was hard. I feel like it's smaller than last time. Ito yun.
Do we look to?
Ngaih ko. Hot and sour soup, right? Save some for your wife too.
No.
No, you're gonna eat all? Try.
More?
So excited. Like more? More. Yes, more. You okay? Tasty. Is it good? Ito yun.
Do we look to?
Okay, let's start eating. Kakalturan tulos zela mo into food kam mu suwa u to ka ke ko mu hil do na kan video de na enjoy kan